Hello traders, again Gustavo Rubi. This is the most important video of the series because in this video we are going to enumerate the steps that we need to follow compulsory to make this beautiful theory into actual practice and money in your accounts. So, first of all, the first step you're already doing because you're studying, I expect that you're studying the SOP manual and you're understanding the system. This is the very first step. The second step is to study by hindsight. What do I mean with this? You go to the previous past action and you can start by studying the previous week, but go as far as you are able to. Go as far as maybe 1 year, 2 years in the past, if your trading view plan allows, and study the past. How are we going to study the past? Okay, for example, I'm going to represent with line, but you can use only your eyes. You know that here you had a setup, was a very easy win. Here we have another easy win, another easy win. And then these setups are pending, not activated yet. But here I have another setup that it was a loss. Okay, what I'm going to do if it was a loss? If I was a loss, I'm going to set my stop at reverse this level, and then the stop here and the profit here. Only by using your eyes if you are able, or use drawing tools, does not matter. Important thing is that you think and be able to replay in your brain the past, taking the advantage that you know already what happened. This is the second step. For the third step, you're going to use, according to your trading view plan, the bar replay. The bar replay, for example, let's go slow. Let's go to maybe 3 bars per second, okay? And let's imagine that we are here and we set play. And you will be able to watch the candlesticks moving around. Now you're going to use your trading view tools. And if I had a setup here, I'm going to draw it. Set my stop and set my profit, and boom. And therefore, you are going to practice the boxes and the stop and reverses. You can do this maybe for 1 month data, 2 month data, and practice drawing with the tools. After bar replay, what we're going to do is we're going to exit this mode. And unfortunately, here the market is closed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate my trading view alerts. Okay, create alert. And instead of price, I'm going to use the BullTrading easy scalps. And I'm going to create the alert, right? And now that the alert is active, I'm going to wait with real market conditions. And I'm going, if I have a signal, I'm going to use again the short position. This is a short, but I know that is inside range. So maybe I'm going to double the stop and I'm going to double the take profit. And I'm going to check what is going to happen. Do not, I'm not, you know, I'm not saying to you that you get your terminal and start doing even demo account. No, just drawing the tools. You can do this maybe for 1 week or 2. Okay. And after you finish this step of drawing in real time, after that, only after that, you go to a demo account and you practice the real thing. And you're going to practice on demo maybe until you're profitable and you feel very comfortable with the system. If you go live, you know, if you skip any of these steps, the market will punish you. Okay? Follow this process. Be humble. Maybe you are a very good expert trader, but using this system requires practice and confidence. Do not skip any of these steps. So the next step is about psycho trading. If you want to know some other resource about a book, videos, podcast, ask me personally in the group. And with this, I complete this basic tutorial for your massive success. Gustavo Rubi. Bye-bye.